Hi, my name is Ariel Shannock. I'm a clinical psychologist and I'm the Wellness Center Director. The Wellness Center has two arms, student counseling and student health. Student counseling offers a range of different kinds of counseling, and a real gem of what we offer are groups. We have a dissertation support group, a parenting support group, an LGBTQIA+ support group, a Latinx grad student support group, a Black grad student support group, Asian student support group, and it's been really helpful to a lot of students. The Student Health Service offers health education, workshops, and for services that we don't have at the center, we take good care with providing referrals. There's a lot of information on our website. Our services are free and confidential for matriculated students. We really want you to know that you're not alone. We're here to support you, and we look forward to meeting you.